how to access the RAM, CMOS battery, etc. on the Dell Alienware. You just firstly remove the battery. There's 2 screws, 1, 2. So you remove these. Just a second on that. And then, this is a good bit of design. You just grab the cover and you literally just push it back. It's so good. It pops out. And there you've got access to everything. So you've got your RAM. You've got your CMOS battery. So if you're having 5 beeps on startup and it's not starting up, you can replace that one. And the hard drive over here. So that's basically all you need. Just to slide that off. You reverse the steps to reinstall the top cover. So just put it back on, slide it in, and put those 2 screws back on, and that's it.